In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer money to your Wise account. Now, this is really simple, guys. All you have to do is you need to add a currency. So click on add a currency if you don't have one. And then all you need to do is click add money. Now, when you select this, you can select what kind of currency you want to do. Since I'm from Denmark, I'll choose DKK. Type in how much and then press continue. Keep in mind there will be a little fee. And once you've done this, you just want to verify it. So you can scan the QR code or send a link by the email. And if you haven't verified your account yet, then you will need to show some kind of ID and your face just to verify. But this is only the first time you do this. After this, the money will be on your account in here. And that is basically how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.